Welcome. Today we will talk about Intima medicine. Intima is a vaginal wash liquid. It have the combination of tea tree oil and aloe vera extract with lactic acid. It soothes, moisturizes and provides comfort from itching. It is gynecologically tested. Female V-zone requires healthy pH 3.5 to 4.5. For good hygiene, Intima vaginal wash keeps the pH level within the healthy range. Package contains. Each package contains the Intima vaginal wash liquid bottle of 60 milliliters. Composition: deionized water, ammonium lauryl sulfate, cocamidopropyl betaine, cetosterol alcohol, lactic acid, tea tree oil, aloe vera extract, sodium hydroxide, methyl paraben sodium, EDTA, citric acid, and propyl paraben sodium. Directions for use: instructions, squeeze in palm, apply on V-zone. Wash thorough with water. Use once daily for intimate hygiene or twice in case of vaginal infection. Irritation or discomfort. Intima is recommended for daily intimate hygiene, unnatural vaginal discharge and unpleasant odor, dryness of vagina during menopause, discomfort after hair removal, menstruation and postpartum care, vaginitis, vulvitis, vulvar pruritus, leukorrhea. Storage: store below 30 degrees Celsius. Do not freeze. Precautions: for external use only. Do not swallow. Avoid eye contact. Not intended to diagnose, cure, or prevent any disease. Manufacturer and buy online. Intima vaginal wash is manufactured by AWACS Laboratories MFG. It is marketed by Medgate Pharma. You can buy it online or you can buy it from any pharmacy nearby. It is available at the retail price around 495 rupees. This video is for educational purposes. Take every medicine as your doctor or pharmacist prescribes it.